Hi guys and girls, welcome to Learn Urdu through English lesson series by Ifactner.com. This is lesson number 14 of Learn Urdu through English lesson series, and in this lesson we are going to learn how do we connect the letter F and Kaf in the beginning of the word, in the middle of the word, and at the end of the word. So let's start our lesson. First, we are going to discuss about the letter or character F of Urdu alphabet. It is pronounced as F, and it can be connected to the second character. So it's a connector letter. And let's see some examples. There is a word in Urdu which is fuck, fe, cough, fe, cough, fuck. It is pronounced as fuck, and it means yellow, yellow in Urdu. And then there is another word which is faka, fe, alif, kaf, alif, faka. Faka means if someone hasn't eaten, so it's faka for a time being, then it's faka. And then there is another word called fawara, fe, wow, fav, wow, alif, wa, rihera, fe, wow, alif, fawa, rihera, fawara, fawara, fawara. Let me write it again. Fawara. Fawara means fountain. So now let's see how do we use the character F in the middle of the word. There's a word ufak, and it is alif, fe, and kaf, and it's alif pesh u, alif pesh u. Remember alif pesh u. Just a quick reminder: alif pesh is u, alif zabar is a, and alif zir is e. So these are the short vowels which make the pronunciation of the word. So now there is a pesh on alif, and we write it like this: alif pesh fe kaf ufak. It is ufak. Ufak means skies or sky. Then there is another word called afaka. Alif mat a, fe, alif, kaf, alif. And we write it as a, fa, ka. It's he, afaka, afaka, afaka. Afaka means uh, if you, for example, if you are ill and you take some medicine and you feel better, then it's afaka. So afaka is feeling better. Now let's see how do we use fe at the end of the word. We have got a word called hoof. It's a simple word. Alif pesh fe uf. Uf. Uf is similar to ouch in English. And then there is a word called maaf, and it is meme, ain, alif, fe, maaf, and it is written like m, meme, alif, meme, ain, alif, fe, maaf. So you guys should remember that an is written like this in the middle of the word, and maaf, it is pronounced as muaf. Muaf means to forgive. And there is another word called muafi, which is to ask for forgiveness. So now let's see how do we use the word cough in the beginning of the word, in the middle of the word, and at the end of the word. Letter cough. Cough is pronounced as calf, K-A-F, calf, and it is also a connector, just like fe. That is, it is connected to the second character when it starts the word. There is a word called katil. Kaf, alif, te, lam. Katil. So we write it like this. Kaf, alif. Now see that it is just written like fe, te, lam, til. Katil. Katil is pronounced as Katil, and it means murderer. Murderer. The one who murders. And then there is a word called qatl. Here it is written like kaf, te, lam. And actually it is written like this. Qatl. Qatl means murder. And then we have got, let's see how do we use kaf in the middle of the word. We have got a word called maktul. Mim, kaf, te, waw, lam. And it is written like this. Mim, kaf, te, waw, lam. Maktul. Maktul. It is pronounced as maktul. And maktul is basically a victim or a person who has been murdered. So maktul is the murder victim. And let's take another example. There is a word called maqtal. Mim, kaf, te, lam. That is mim, kaf, te, lam. Maqtal. Mim, kaf, te, lam. Maqtal. Maqtal means the place where the murder has taken place. So it's a place where the murder has taken place, and it is pronounced as maktal, maktal. And now let's see how do we use the letter kaf in the end of the word. Letter kaf. We have got a word mashk. Mim, sheen, and kaf. Mashk. It's actually mim zabar sheen kaf. Mashk. And it is written like this: mim, sheen, kaf. Mashk. Mashk. It is pronounced as mushhaq. Mashk. And mashk means exercise. And then there is another word called mushk. Meme. It's meme, sheen, and same kaf. Mushk. But this time there is a pesh on meme. So you see that not only the pronunciation of the word changes, but its meaning also changes with these short vowels pesh, zabar, and se. And it is written like this: mushk, just like the previous word, but with a pesh on top of it. Mushk. Now it's mushk. Mushk means tail. Tail of a dog. So guys and girls, this was our lesson about character fe and character kaf of Urdu alphabet by ifactner.com. If you would like to do some more exercises, then please visit us on ifactner.com. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you like this video, then please give us a thumbs up. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care. Bye.